Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in your Cadillac SRX. First, gather all your supplies, including fresh fluid, a drain pan, and a new filter if needed. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and level. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable. We'll cover draining the old fluid, replacing the filter, and refilling with new fluid. Once your Cadillac SRX is safely elevated, position a suitable drain pan under the transmission. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old, often dark fluid to flow out. Be prepared for a significant volume of fluid. Let it drain thoroughly. This ensures you remove as much of the old fluid as possible. This step is crucial for a complete fluid exchange.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial advice. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
After draining, remove the transmission pan bolts and gently lower the pan. Be aware there might be residual fluid inside. Next, remove the old transmission filter and install a new one. Clean the pan thoroughly, ensuring no debris remains. Install a new pan gasket, then carefully reattach the pan, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications for a leak-free seal. Now it's time to refill your transmission with fresh fluid. Locate the fill tube, usually near the engine, and use a clean funnel. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and quantity of fluid required for your Cadillac SRX. Add the fluid slowly. After adding, start the engine, shift through gears, and then recheck the fluid level on a level surface using the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.